See, I'm back on my. My features are dub, my shoulders a blessing. I got paper, I ain't doing no stress. The one who put all this together, that gave me something good and I made that shit better. Turned up the nights, my watch changed up the weather. I'm bigger and better, shit bigger than ever. Thought they was running shit, I had to catch him. He tried with some funny shit, shoot it, go stretch. I ran up some money and never got selfish. I'm solid, I put my whole team on the blessing.
Let's go. Ready. All set. Look.
Banda, समात्न. यो माथि जान्छ है.
Hey. Wait.
बन्दा माथि आइज बच्चे.
मजाले लु. Yo, पुग्यो. Hey, nice. Armor जित्दैछ है.
पऱ्यो नि है.
पर ल आज चाहिँ हैन अब रबिनले यहाँ बाइकमा स्टन्ट हान्छ हाम्रो केटाहरू पनि आउँदैछ
आउनु त पर्ने हो है जस्तो म त फर्स्ट भए
अब म नि एक फेरि बाँधेर उडाउनुतिर लाग्छु केटाहरू
यो फर्स्ट फ्लाइट अफ द डे
My bad. So this is the gap हान्न खोजेको डोन इज फाइन ठुलो भएछ ठिक छ यत्रो सानो ग्यापमा हेर्नु त यसको अझै ठ्याक्क साइज चाहिँ टिप्री साइज हुनुपर्छ तर पोसिबल कन्टिन्युइङ माई सेसन्स अब ब्याक टु क्रास नम्बर 2 Boys are here.
अस्ति रबिनले तेल सक्यो भनेको थियो नि ब्याट्रीको नटै फुस्यो
ए लुज हुनु खोज्दै रहेछ
यो कि भुरभुर हुने के उभिएर कुदाउनु खोज्छु भुरभुर
हाम्रो प्र्याक्टिस सेसन्स हुँदैछ यता आशिष चाहिँ
राइड एन्ड साइन भन्छ नि त्यही हो
बाइक सफा गर्दै है
बाइक सफा गरेर हाम्रो यो सेक्सन फुल नोज म्यानुअल हान्ने प्लान छ
लेट्स सी ल यता चाहिँ रबिन दाइको सर्कल वेली प्र्याक्टिस हुँदैछ यता हस्कीमा चाहिँ सिटले प्रब्लम दियो जस्तै के बिग्रिँदै
सिटको नट अझै के नट हालेको यो
यो लाइनमा बस्छ है त It's at the time guys सबैजना यहाँ भोकले कुर्याएको रहेछ रबिन दाई चाहिँ रोक्नै माने छैन त के हो ओ नो 100 मागेको अवस्था ठिक छ
फेरि ट्राई गर्छ है
म चाहिँ यति लेस भेट्टा छु एउटा
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
ल्याङ भयो ब्रेकी सेसन जाने जान ल माथि गइदिउँ अब माथि गएर हल्का हेर्दिउँ
Let's go. We are ready, boy.
Boy, मेरो बिरालो हिप Yes. So this is our second practice spot. Dewan is already in FPV. अब के राउन्ड दाइ खिच्ला हो ए तिमी यतातिर बस तिमीले खिच्छ म फोनले खिच्दैछु
Okay, no. Get ready. So Jedi coming through this ladder. Yo. Yo. Yo.
See, I'm back on my. See, I'm back on my bull. Ayy, see, I'm back on my bull. Came a long way from school. We done been banging and walking with full clips. Pocket filled with them blue strips. All that hang with the solid came with no loose lips. If he ran, cut him loose quick. If a trap at his make the news quick. Hit these blue tips. But these won't shoot shit. Cause these peons ain't stepping how my stepping. Walk them down, but that teach them a lesson. I been kicking cool and got paper like Messi. I'm Zion, yo, bread. She say that she love how my bitch be dressing. How that Audemars go with that neck. My features are dub, my shoulders a blessing. I got paper, I ain't doing no stress. The one who put all this together, that gave me something good and I made that shit better. Turned up the lights, my watch changed up the weather. I'm bigger and better, bigger than ever. Thought they was running, I had to catch him. He tried with some funny, shoot it, go stretch. I ran up some money and never got selfish. I'm solid, I put my whole team on the blessing.
Dewan sir ko चाहिँ full on FPV practice at Lamatar भइरहेछ
झन्डै आशिष लड्यो
See, I'm back on my. See, I'm back on my bull. Ayy, see, I'm back on my bull. Came a long way from school. We done been banging and walking with full clips. Pocket filled with them blue strips. All that hang with the solid came with no loose lips. If he ran, cut him loose quick. If a trap at his make the news quick. Hit these blue tips. But these won't shoot shit. Cause these peons ain't stepping how my stepping. Walk them down, but that teach them a lesson. I been kicking cool and got paper like Messi. I'm Zion, yo, red. She say that she love how my bitch be dressing. How that Audemars go with that neck. My features are dub, my shoulders a blessing. I got paper, I ain't doing no stress. The one who put all this together, that gave me something good and I made that shit better. Turned up the nights, my watch changed up the weather. I'm bigger and better, bigger than ever. Thought they was running, I had to catch him. He tried with some funny, shoot it, go stretch. I ran up some money and never got selfish. I'm solid, I put my whole team on the blessing.
Let's go! पेन फुस्केको अवस्था यस मजाले ठिक छ ओए ल सेट इन्जिन क्वाल पर्यो उसको पनि त्यो इन्जिन दुलो परेछ अब यो सिएफको नि इन्जिन दुलो परेको यो ब्रेक वेल हान्नेछ क्या
यस आज चाहिँ तँलाई रोक भने गुड बाई टाटा बाई बाई सी यु नेक्स्ट इयर
कसरी यहाँ चलाउनु न यार अलि उतै चलाउनु पर्छ ज्याउ हुन्छ राम राम नयाँ मोबाइल टाइप्स
अब चाहिँ के गर्दै हामी
अब चाहिँ फुल स्पिड
यो ओह्रालोमा
यस फुल स्विमिङ हो
देवान चाहिँ FPV मा चेज हान्न लाग्छ
Shit some fans, huh? Ay, really got a plan, huh? But coming to some paper, you won't even lift your man up. I'm coming off the dribble, it's simple, I make them stand up. Come from where they sagging, not luxury, hold my pants up. I'm nasty, Nick, you should ask me. Best about the city, ask my daughter why she dabbing. Got my name in their mouth while they songs in the drought. I know it's hard to get out, you should be closing your mouth. I told them only time would tell. They craving for attention, guess these didn't know me well. I say nada, don't reply unless it's about $1. Oh well, okay, ha 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 ha. All this local, just some local. I'm doing shows overseas, they don't know you. Hey, check the wristwatch, that's a rollie. Really making mine off rap. I'm the only that I follow.
रेयनलाई अघिदेखि क्यामेरा चलाउँदा चलाउँदा चुक भइसक्यो एक लास्ट ड्रप ल ल ल ल ल ल नाइस नाइस
मजा आउनु थाल्यो ड्रपिङ यार
हिजो भर्खर बनाएर ल्याएको आज फन गाउने टाइम भयो फेरि बनाउन लाने इन्जिन ब्लास्ट यो बाहिरको फेरे मात्रै पुग्छ कि के
यो फेर्ने मोबिल चेन्ज गर्ने त्यति भए पुग्छ यो भयो के ब्रो यसले यो लड्यो यो ब्रेकको यो चुचो छैन यो चुचोले चाहिँ यहाँ परेर पल पर्यो कि अलराइट इट्स अ पार्ट अफ गेम रिबिल
बनाउनलाई नि भोलिपल्ट फेरि आजको सेसन चाहिँ सकियो आजको प्र्याक्टिस सेसनको ऱ्याप अप आशिष कस्तो भयो त आज तर तिम्रो यो सेक्सनको चाहिँ दामी देखेछ यो सेक्सनको चाहिँ दामी भएको छ वादै फ्रम
यो चाहिँ नोज म्यानुअल हान्छु है मैले
ब्रेक राम्रो भयो
ब्रेक अर्को ब्रेक हालेर
Well, let's go.
गो
Yo.
See, I'm back on my. See, I'm back on my bulls. Ayy, see, I'm back on my bulls. Came a long way from school. We done been banging and walking with full clips. Pocket filled with them blue strips. All I hang with the solid came with no loose lips. If he ran, cut him loose quick. If a trap at his make the news quick. Hit these blue tips. But these won't shoot shit. Cause these peons ain't stepping how my stepping. Walk them down, but that teach them a lesson. I been kicking cool and got paper like Messi. I'm Zion, yo, red. She say that she love how my big be dressing. How that Audemars go with that neck. My features are dub, my shoulders a blessing. I got paper, I ain't doing no stress.